Going to Tōkā, one of the islands over there. We're gonna go check it out. ride in with the police force. Man, this place is beautiful. Breadfruit tree. Oh my goodness. They got some places here of their own. Cool. So cool. Okay. This is what it's called, this island, this atoll. Okay. The grass is lusciously green. Hey! The trees. Wow, being around like a lot of bushes, trees, and all this good stuff reminds me of the movie The Predator. Arnold Schwarzenegger, man, And this tall breadfruit, I feel like the predator is watching me from up there. This is awesome. I love it here. Oh my God, this is amazing. Oh, I wish everybody could come here. We have to take a boat ride all the way from Ebon. It took like an hour to get here. It's crazy. Yes, it's crazy. And once again, I see a lot of solars, which is a really good thing because you save a lot of power and you get power at the same time. Tanele. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Ako kululupuan merle. All I gotta say is the breadfruit here are very, very tall. For some reason, I mean, look at that. Tall. Tall. Man. 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 Man everywhere. Dude. Oh. Talangan di ketata ya ling. Di ketata ya. Oke, Pak. Kapan berjam namanya, Pak? Kapan di ketata? Di ketata. Yud. Yud. Wono jolok ngan yud. Talangan yud. Wono jolok ajurin sono koy kalin. Di wono yalangan yud. Wono jolok ngan yud. Kayu. Oh. Coba mana? Tang. Mana? Tanah. Mana pengen tinggal lagi? Kalau bayar kerja ni je. Apa narik je? Apa dah? Apa narik? Apa narik? Sini. Oh, juga iya. Ini chicken queer. Pigeon queer. Anu kan? Ini. Mana? Ini lah kerja cobain orang ini. Ano yawan na. Ako kumiyang pijay pen. Hindi lo naro. Pero iba, amo ni ka kay. Ito rin. Ay, baka lagyan mo yan nito dito. Erge goza bito kajaro kelok kenele imi jage bwe bwe mata ani jiri me jado do imi jage ni kela. So we went and looked at that tree because it's a very special tree to the Marshallese people. But now we're gonna go deeper to the other side of this island that we just got on. So. So according to the old man telling the story, he said this area, there was a guy looking for his kid, and then every time he yells out, "Where are you?" it would sound like he's next to him, so he starts digging the ground. So this entire area was dug up by one person. Wow, interesting. Mind you, the ground is very soft. It feels like we're gonna like fall right through it every time you take a step. So yeah, this is very trippy. But yes, this is an old story of a person looking for their kid. Every time he yells out, "Where you at?" the kid would answer right next to him, so he starts digging. So supposedly there are a lot of holes around. Only heard stories of this place. I've never been to it until now. Damn. Kuwait, tabi lang yan pag Kuwait. Kuwait. Oh. Oh, karami na yung pigot aja rin yun. Eman. Tayo warikal dari. Kalau temu ya wala kayo. Kubo ya. Okay no. Malam aja. Walang temu ya wala. Hey, see you. This place is unreal. So, according to the guy, the father was looking for the son. So every time he yells out, "Where are you?" the kid would answer like it was right near him. So he would start digging holes in this area, this entire area. Yeah, this entire area. And it feels like the ground is so soft that you're gonna fall right through it. No kidding, for real, like it feels really soft. Very interesting. Heard this story when I was a kid, and now I'm here. Whew. Unreal. I don't even know if my family was here. I'm here. Ekubuya? Iwa ka mo nung ngay perter. Man. Wow. Quando va melele de mídia lá. All right, we're going to another spot, another storytelling moment. So see you guys when we get there. But this jungle feeling is awesome. Let's go. You know what? Kujalata ngacin, recin ke jeung alo. Recin ke jeung Keta kana ngajam magad ko. Yeah. Now, I'm so happy I came on this trip because I got to know where one of those stories, martial Lee stories from a long time ago, was told. When I first heard about it, I was just a kid, but now I'm here. Yep, what he said. I swear. When I heard that story, I was just a kid, literally a kid. But then, coming to this trip to Ebon, it brought me here. And then I get to see where exactly the story was taking place. Man, it would be so awesome if they made a movie about it. Trippy. At the same time, exciting. Maybe they should make a movie about it. I don't know about you guys, but that was one hell of an adventure. Take a break over here. Oh, trying to block the sun. Oh my gosh, the grass is so comfortable. I love it. See you guys later. I'm gonna take a nap. Alrighty, people. We just had our rest. Sat on this grass right here. And we're about to head back to Ebon. Peace. One of the many things I want to drink is that. See that up there? Let me show you. Right there. Woo-hoo-hoo. That bottle up there is getting filled. I want. Alrighty, we're back at the beach waiting for the boat that we came in. The water is nice and cool. Got the crew in the back. Everybody's just chilling. You know me, doing my thing. The water is nice. So nice and cool. I'm gonna go back to Ebon and swim. I don't care. I really need to swim. So before the boat comes to get us from that, I'm just enjoying the scenery around here. Oh, I got people back there saying it's cool. Yeah, this place. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are heading back to Ebon. Me and the crew. That's what we do. Peace out.